Hello everyone. Today we are going to study plant minerals. Here are some topic-wise important questions. Number 1, essential nutrients. Question: what are macronutrients in plants? Answer: macronutrients are nutrients required in larger quantities including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium and sulfur. Question 2. Name 3 micronutrients essential for plant growth. Answer: iron, manganese and zinc. Question 3. What role does nitrogen play in plant metabolism? Answer: nitrogen is crucial for synthesizing amino acids, proteins and nucleic acids. Next question. How does phosphorus contribute to energy transfer in plants? Answer: phosphorus is a component of ATP which is vital for energy transfer. Point 2. Function of minerals. Question: what is the function of potassium in plants? Answer: potassium regulates osmotic balance, enzyme activation, and photosynthesis. Next question. Why is calcium important for plant cells? Answer: calcium is vital for cell wall stability and signaling pathways. Next question. Describe the role of magnesium in chlorophyll formation. Answer: magnesium is a central component of chlorophyll and is essential for photosynthesis. Next question. How do minerals affect enzyme activity in plants? Answer: many minerals act as cofactors that enhance enzyme activity. Point number 3. Deficiency symptoms. Question: what are the symptoms of nitrogen deficiency in plants? Answer: symptoms include yellowing of leaves, fall chlorosis, and stunted growth. Next question. How does phosphorus deficiency manifest in plants? Answer: symptoms include dark green or purplish leaves or poor root development. Next question. What are the visual signs of potassium deficiency? Answer: symptoms include leaf age scorch and reduced fruit quality. Next question. Describe the symptoms of magnesium deficiency. Answer: symptoms include intraveinal chlorosis, especially in older leaves. Point number 4. Uptake and transport. Question: how do plants absorb minerals from the soil? Answer: through root hairs via passive and active transport mechanism. Next question. What is the role of mycorrhizae in mineral uptake? Answer: mycorrhizal fungi enhance nutrient absorption, especially phosphorus, by extending the root system. Next question. Explain the process of translocation in plants. Answer: translocation is the movement of nutrients through the plant via xylem and phloem. Next question. How do environmental factors influence mineral uptake? Answer: factors such as soil, pH, moisture, and temperature can affect mineral availability and uptake. Point number 5. Soil and mineral availability. Question: how does soil pH affect nutrient availability? Answer: soil pH influences the solubility of minerals, certain nutrients, and more available at specific pH levels. Next question. What is the role of organic matter in mineral availability? Answer: organic matter improves soil structure, increases nutrient retention, and enhances microbial activity. Next question. Describe the concept of cation exchange capacity (CEC). Answer: CEC refers to the soil's ability to retain and exchange positively charged ions called cations necessary for plant growth. Next question. How does leaching affect soil mineral content? Answer: leaching removes soluble minerals from the soil, potentially leading to the nutrient deficiencies. Point number 6. Mineral interaction. Question. What is the antagonistic effect of potassium on magnesium uptake? Answer. High levels of potassium can inhibit magnesium uptake, leading to deficiency symptoms. Next question. How do calcium and magnesium interact in plant nutrition? Answer. Both are essential for cell function, but excess calcium can interfere with magnesium absorption. Next question. What role do micronutrients play in enzyme function? Answer. Micronutrients often serve as cofactors for enzymes, facilitating biochemical reactions. Next question. Explain the concept of nutrient synergy in plants. Answer. Nutrient synergy occurs when two or more nutrients enhance each other's uptake or functions. Point number 7. Plant responses to mineral stress. Question. What adaptations do plants exhibit under nutrient deficient conditions? Answer. Plants may alter root architecture, increase root exudates, or modify leaf morphology. Next question. How do plants signal nutrient deficiencies? Answer. Plants can produce specific hormones and secondary metabolites in response to nutrient stress. Next question. Describe the role of phytoremediation in soil mineral management. Answer. Phytoremediation uses plants to absorb and detoxify contaminants, improving soil mineral content. Next question. How does salinity affect mineral uptake? Answer. High salinity can hinder water absorption and lead to nutrient imbalances in plants. Point number 8. Sustainable practices. Question. What practices can enhance soil mineral content sustainability? Answer. Crop rotation, cover cropping, and organic amendments. Next question. How does composting contribute to mineral availability in soil? Answer. Composting enhances soil organic matter, improving nutrient retention and microbial activity. Next question. What is the importance of soil testing in managing mineral nutrition? Answer. Soil testing helps identify nutrient deficiencies and informs appropriate fertilization strategy. Next question. How can biofertilizers improve mineral nutrition in plants? Answer. Biofertilizers promote beneficial microbial activity that enhances nutrient availability and uptake. Point number 9. Research and advances. Question. What is the role of plant biotechnology in mineral nutrition? Answer. Biotechnology can improve nutrient use efficiency and develop crops with enhanced mineral uptake. Next question. How do nanotechnology applications improve mineral delivery in agriculture? Answer. Nanotechnology can enhance the precision and efficiency of nutrient delivery to plants. Next question. Discuss the impact of climate change in mineral nutrient dynamics. Answer. Climate change may alter soil pH, moisture levels, and microbial activity, affecting nutrient availability. Next question. What are the implications of mineral deficiencies for food security? Answer. Mineral deficiencies can reduce crop yields and quality, impacting nutritional security. Point number 10. Case studies and applications. Answer. Question. Provide an example of a crop affected by micronutrient deficiency. Answer. Rice affected by zinc deficiency shows stunted growth and reduced yield. Next question. How can targeted fertilization strategy improve crop yield? Answer. Targeted fertilization addresses specific nutrient deficiencies, optimizing plant growth and yield. Next question. Discuss a case study where soil amendments improved mineral availability. Answer: adding lime to acidic soils can improve calcium availability and enhance crop performances. Last question: what role does agroecology play in managing mineral nutrition? Answer: agroecology promotes sustainable practices that enhance nutrient cycling and improve soil health.